Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ash Rose. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial that I did for today, and if you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and leave me a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. So starting off, I refilled in my eyebrows and I primed my eyes. Now I'm just taking the BH Cosmetics Modern Neutrals 28 color eyeshadow palette, and what a name that is. But I'm going in with that brown shade, and it's going to be my transition shade. I'm going to just blend that into my upper crease. Now I'm taking that same palette, I'm just going to be digging into that brick shade, blending it into my crease, making sure that I blend it into the transition shade so that there are no harsh edges. Now taking that shade from the same palette, I'm just going to focus this onto the outer edge of my eye, making sure that I blend it once again because you still do not want no harsh edges. So before I go in with this blue color from the Morphe 35B palette, I just spritzed my brush with some MAC Fix Plus, and then I'm going to just put that all over the lid, kind of like as if I'm cutting the crease. And I'm not taking this all on the entire lid. I'm just going to be taking it halfway and then making sure that I blend it into the color that I used prior, so it's not a harsh edge between the two shades. And next, to take this look up just a notch, I'm going to be taking the NYX Liquid Crystal Liner Glitter in the shade Silver. Why are all these items names long as ever? Like, annoying. But I'm just going to be pretty much going over top of that shade. So it's like I'm cutting the crease with this, but I'm not going to be taking it all the way out. I'm just going to be lining the upper part of the blue shadow. So I did my other eye off camera, and now I'm just taking the Colourpop All-Star Primer to prime my face. So today I decided to do a little color correcting around my mouth area because I do have a bit of discoloration. So I wanted to cover that up, and I decided to use the Black Radiance True Complexion color correcting palette, and this is the medium to deep shade. So for my foundation for today, I'm taking the Black Radiance Color Perfect Foundation in the shade Caramel. And you guys, this foundation is extremely drying. I had to do one side at a time because I remember having this foundation before and it was a super dry foundation. But I'm okay with that because I'm an oily girl. So I do not recommend this foundation for any of my dry girls out there. This will be a pain in the butt. So oily girls, you might like this. I love it, and it's actually really, like, if you guys can tell, it blended into my skin perfectly, and I was just amazed, like literally amazed. So before I went in with my concealers for highlight and contouring, I went in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Milk. And I'm just lining my waterline because I'm then going to take a yellow shade, and this is just from the Morphe 35B palette. And I'm just taking that and running it across the white liner. And this was just to, you know, be as a primer before I put the yellow in so that the yellow could pop more. So after lining my waterline, I'm just now taking a blue shadow. This was the shadow from out the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm just running that across my lower lash line. And now for highlighting and contour, I'm taking my favorite at the moment, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealers in the shade Fawn for my highlight and Dark Cocoa for my contour. So now I'm just going to go in and blend out my highlight and contour by first blending out my contour. I'm going to be blending out both with a Real Techniques beauty sponge. Now I'll be setting all of the areas that I highlighted with the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder. And now just to set my contour with, I'm going to be taking the Ruby Kiss 3D Contour Powder. And I'm going to be taking that shade to set my contour. To wipe away the excess powder, I just take a large fluffy brush and just swipe it away. So I just went back in with the brush that I used to set my contour with, and I'm just going back over those areas so everything is seamless and blended well. Finishing off the eyes, I'm just taking some mascara and running that across my lower lashes. Now I'm going in with my favorite part of makeup and going in my favorite highlighter at the moment. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Heart Defense Highlighter. Taking that darker shade and I'm just going in with this. Like, you can literally go in with this, you guys. I am obsessed with this highlighter. Like, my gosh. Now for the lips, I'm just going in with this NickaK lip liner, and I'm not sure of the name of it, but I will leave it in the description box down below, along with all the other products that I used in this video. And just to top my lips off, I'm just going to be taking the NYX Buttergloss and the shade Madeline. And this made for the perfect kind of nudie color for my skin tone. So I think I'll be using this combo pretty often. So this is the final look, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye guys. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey you guys, why do I keep doing, like, okay, Seal. Let me know how I did. You know,